Everyone knows Viagra, right? But what if I told you there's a natural herb that might work just as powerfully, without the wild side effects? I'm talking about horny goat weed, or Icariin. Yeah, that's a real name, and men around the world are calling it nature's blue pill. Before you roll your eyes, stick with me, because what scientists just uncovered about horny goat weed could literally change how we think about male performance. Forever. So, what is this stuff exactly? It's been a staple in Chinese medicine for centuries, known for boosting stamina, energy, and yeah, your libido. The secret sauce here is Icariin. This compound actually works a lot like Viagra. It increases blood flow by relaxing blood vessels. But here's the twist. Unlike Viagra, which gives you that short-term rocket boost, Icariin helps your body naturally restore nitric oxide levels over time. That's not just a one-night fix. We're talking about a steady, reliable boost in both performance and confidence. But let's get real. What do the experts say? In 2024, researchers actually put Icariin head-to-head with sildenafil. That's the magic in Viagra. And you know what? In some test groups, the results were shockingly similar when it came to blood flow. But here's where Icariin really shines. It didn't cause headaches, no dizziness, and none of that crash feeling you hear about with Viagra. Plus, horny goat weed is plant-based, no prescription needed, and no awkward pharmacy moments. Just you, a supplement, and nature doing its thing. Now don't get me wrong, this isn't an overnight miracle. Icariin needs a little patience. Most experts recommend using it daily for about 2 to 3 weeks to see real results. That's where most guys mess up. They expect instant fireworks like Viagra. But think of Icariin as training your body to perform better, not just faking it for a quick win. And if you combine it with good sleep, plenty of water, and a solid workout routine, the effects can seriously multiply. So, is horny goat weed better than Viagra? If you want a quick fix for one night, Viagra's your guy. But if you're after natural, long-lasting stamina, confidence, and zero side effects, horny goat weed might just be the future. What do you think? Can nature really beat modern science? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more real talk about men's health, performance, and natural solutions.